Do laundry 101. All right, dude. Let's get our clothes. Grab the clothes. Just find your stuff, not the towel, but find the stuff that's yours. Like yeah, just throw it on in there. Just keep throwing it in there.
Yeah?
Yeah, just throw it in. Yep, throw it in. Perfect. Just grab all that stuff. Just get everything you want. Go on, keep going. Just grab your stuff. Yeah, put your blankets in there. Get that stuff cleaned up. Come on. Put it in there. Come on. Gotta be clean. Throw it in there. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Let's put some of my stuff in there. That's good. Keep going. Keep filling it. Yep. Keep going. Just keep throwing it in there. That's right. Don't slip though. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. We're not even close to having. We'll get it.
Joey, move out of the way.
Keep going. Let's see here. No, not those. Not the towel. Not this towel. Yeah, not that. Hang on. This one. Not that towel because that's super big. Not that towel. That's super big. Just a couple more of your shirts down there. Keep going. Keep going. Just grab it. It doesn't matter what. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're trying to wear. That doesn't need to clean for sure. Let them in there. All right. Let's see. You got room for a couple more things. Just a couple more little things. Go ahead.
This?
Perfect. Throw that in there. Let's see what else we got down. Let's do my shirt. And a couple more of your things. You got some undies. Yeah, throw your undies in there. Keep going. And that's good right there. Okay. Now, throw them in there. Looking good. Looking good. Now, what we're going to do, make a little spot in the middle so you can pour the soap down in there. Okay. Now, take that soap on the right. Yep. Open the top. Now fill the cap. Wait. Fill this cap up to. I'll tell you when. Yeah, just keep going. Right there. Okay, dump it in. Dump it in. Right down the middle. Good job. Now replace the cap. Okay. Good job. Now shut the lid. All right. Go ahead. Just shut it. There you go. It's right there, so you won't get stuck. So let's take a look. So we're on warm. Second rinse because of you. We want the soap out. Fabric softener off. Stain boost off. Normal, regular. So all you got to do is push that button right there. Ready? Go.
Here?
Yep, one time. Push it hard. Okay? Hut. Lid's locked. It's on. Casey, you have officially done your first load of laundry. Give me a thumbs up for Mom. All right, we'll come back about an hour and a half. We'll take the clothes out. We'll put them into the. It's doing its thing. We'll come back an hour and a half. We'll put the clothes in the dryer, and then we'll put the dryer on, and then we'll dry the stuff, and then we'll fold it, and then we're done. Don't jump because I don't want you. Okay, there you go. All right, thumbs up. Say I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.